Alright, so today, this video is for the people who hate chicken smells. I'm going to teach you something that I've learned. And the funny thing is, all my life, I always hate the chicken smells. Okay? I can't stand the chicken smells. And I've learned something, so I want to share with those people who hates chicken smells. Guess what you need. All you need, very simple. It's just an onion. That's it. I guess you can make, an onion will make the chicken cry. That's the whole idea, right? Anyway, what you do is, and if the people who hate onions, I'm sorry, but if you hate the chicken smell and you hate onion, then you have no choice of not eating them both at all. But somehow, the onion takes the smell away. I've been experimenting, and anytime I have chicken, I put onions in there. I am all okay. Pork or any of that thing too, if you put an onion in there, you won't smell it either. So, like I said, maybe an onion makes chicken and pork cry. Anyway, so I'm having like tons of onion cut right now. So that's what I'm gonna do with my sort of stir fried, I guess you can call it. But this is how you get rid of that chicken smell. So this video is for the people who hate the chicken smells, like I do. Even eating this right here, even chicken breast, and chicken breast is the part that is the less smelliest part on a chicken, and I still hate it. If you cook a certain way, I will hate. I can't swallow these. But somehow, when I add onion to it, it no longer have that smell. And no, I don't like onion too much. I'm okay with onion rings, but somehow I'm starting to see that that's what it does. So anyway, this today is just a quick video or a quick tip that when you don't like that onion, when you don't like the chicken smells, you have to put onion in there. And somehow the onion takes the smell away. I actually have another one that if you make broth, I'll link the video up here too. If you make broth, like chicken broth and beef broth, and you put an onion in there, or soup, you put an onion in there, it makes the water really clear. In that video I said that an onion must have made the water cry. But anyway, something about onion. I have not tried scallions or any other stuff. But I guess any onion will do, because scallion is part of the onion family, I guess. So this video is for the people who out there that hate onions. That hate chicken smells. If you cannot stand chicken smells, this video is for you. Other than that, that's about it. And I guess I will see you in the next video. Okay?